how to send photos from your laptop to your Android phone using Bluetooth. So I'll show you how you can send photos from your computer to your phone without needing a wired connection. Now, the first step is to go and open up the Start menu on your computer and then click on Settings. In the left-hand side, click on Bluetooth and Devices. And first of all, make sure your Bluetooth is turned on. You can then click on Add Device, and once you're on this page here, you can come over to your Android phone. You can then click on Settings from the home screen, click on Connections, and make sure your Bluetooth is turned on. Now, once your Bluetooth turned on, come back over to your computer and click on Bluetooth from the list of options. You should then be able to locate your Samsung Galaxy from the list. So mine's this one here. I'm simply going to click on it, and this is going to pop up with a 6-digit code on your Android, and you'll need to go and click on the pair button, and you'll also need to do the same thing on your computer as well. So click on Connect, and once you've done this, your device is now connected. Click on Done. You could then click on your Samsung Galaxy, and now you'll need to scroll down and click on Send or Receive via Bluetooth. Click on Send Files, select your Samsung Galaxy and click on Next. Click on Browse, and then just go and select the photo that you want to send across. You can then click on Next. You're then going to get a pop-up notification on your Samsung. Click on the Accept button, and that will begin sending over to your Samsung phone. Now, once it's finished sending, you can go and open up the Files app on your phone. You can then click on Downloads, and this is where you'll find the photo that we just sent across. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.